In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to right side page tabs layout. If your page list in OneNote has suddenly moved over to the left and you prefer the classic layout with pages on the right, this quick setting will put everything back the way you like it. This approach uses the built-in options in the desktop version of OneNote on Windows and doesn't require any add-ins or advanced tweaks, just a simple preference change. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to any notebook. It doesn't matter which one. This setting applies across your OneNote interface. Look to the upper left and click File to open the Backstage view. From there, select Options at the bottom of the menu to open the OneNote Options dialog. In the left panel of that dialog, choose Display. Now find the checkbox labeled Move Pages List to the left. To place your page tabs on the right side, make sure this box is unchecked. Once you've confirmed it's unchecked, click OK to apply the change and close the dialog. As soon as you do this, your page list should shift back to the right side of the OneNote window. Sections will remain where they usually are near the top, and the pages for the current section should appear as a vertical list on the right. This is the traditional layout many people find more comfortable, especially if you've built muscle memory around selecting pages on the right. If the pages still appear on the left, return to File, then Options, then Display, and double check that the Move Pages list to the left box is not selected. Sometimes it helps to click OK again to confirm the setting. Also, if your OneNote window is very narrow, OneNote can collapse or compress panes to save space. Try widening the window or maximizing it to ensure the page list has room to dock on the right. Keep in mind that this is a visual preference and doesn't affect your notes, syncing, or how notebooks are shared. It's simply a way of deciding where the page list appears, and it applies consistently across your notebooks in the desktop app. If you switch between different editions of OneNote on the same computer, just remember that some editions may not show the exact same display options. That's all there is to it. Uncheck one option and your familiar right side page tabs are back. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with a layout that feels natural and keeps your notes right where you expect them.